It is real Siberia for you. It's March 24th, but still cold, and we have like a crazy snowstorm today, so like you're driving, really can't see anything, and lots of snow again. The temperature is not like really very low, but still yeah, not so great really. Anyways, the main thing in this kind of weather that's not to get into any kind of accident. So it's like absolutely necessary to have winter tires, be like extremely cautious, drive slow. Yeah, but yeah, so you can see the car is coming up there. But yeah, if you're like living in Siberia, you've got to be ready for, you know, this kind of weather. It's no joke really.